So let's think about the network foundation and what it takes to build an MPLS platform, an IP network platform, which is capable of delivering cloud-based services. We think of our network services as really kind of like an on-ramp for cloud. We don't think of ourselves as a network services company, but about 40% of our revenues comes from managed network services, but that's not core to our business. Well, it is core to our business because it's the platform on which we deliver our services. But we take a very agnostic approach to a network implementation. A Smoothstone customer does not have to take our network services. We operate with partners such as Savvis and Masergy, who our services ride across their networks. Many of our customers come to us, they already have invested in managed MPLS services from a carrier. Maybe they're doing it themselves. But our services can ride across those MPLS networks. But the first part in any sales engagement with Smoothstone with that customer, whether it's our network or a third-party network, is get it right for IP communications. If we're looking at deploying a managed network service for our customer, it's really, the first step is about flexible deployment. The second step is about application performance, and then the third step is giving them the transparency that they need to really optimize the services across the network. And let's take a look at each one of those in a little more detail. If you look at a typical Smoothstone managed network, there's actually multi-carriers which go into any customer's network infrastructure. It may be a Quest infrastructure on the West Coast, it may be AT&T in Central and East, it may be Savvis, it may be Masergy, it may be XO. It's about building a customer network which is right for them in the connectivity options, right for them in the price scenarios, but building them a platform which is right for their business and their infrastructure requirements. It's about having a wide geographic coverage and a wide range of access types and speeds and prices for a customer to do what's right for them. The secret sauce in that managed network environment is being able to deliver unified routing tables and unified quality of service across that entire network. So regardless of who the underlying carrier is, to a customer it looks like one managed network service. And I'll show you, or Mark will show you some of the tools that we give them and how that kind of like complex carrier, underlying carrier infrastructure is actually presented to a customer. But to us, the key thing is, and so one of the kind of like the things which tends to prevent a customer moving to an IP network environment, to an MPLS network environment, can be some of the complexities of trying to build that multi-carrier network themselves, trying to get the price and performance right across a very broad geographic distribution. So that's where we really help a customer. And if you look at a Smoothstone sales cycle, probably 30 or 40% of the sales cycle is really spent on the network architecture. And again, regardless of whether we're actually selling the managed network service or not, it's the foundation to get right. So flexible deployment is a key thing.